Welcome back to Channel N, where we talk about cars in a simple, honest, and real-world way. And today we are taking a close look at the 2026 Cutlass Super, a car that has always been known for affordability, reliability, and everyday practicality. The Cutlass name carries a lot of history, especially for people who want a budget-friendly car that is easy to maintain and comfortable enough for daily use. With the 2026 Cutlass Super, the brand has clearly tried to move things forward while keeping the same spirit that made this car so popular in the first place. At first glance, the 2026 Cutlass Super looks more modern and refined than the older versions. The body design feels cleaner, with smoother lines and a more confident front look. The headlights appear sharper, giving the car a fresher personality, and the front grille blends nicely with the overall shape. This is not a car that tries to look aggressive or sporty, but it does look smart and well balanced for city driving. The compact size still makes it perfect for narrow streets, tight parking spaces, and daily commuting. Step inside the 2026 Cutlass Super and you will notice that the interior has been improved to feel more practical and user-friendly. The dashboard design is simple, which is actually a good thing for this category. Controls are easy to reach, buttons are placed logically, and everything feels designed for convenience rather than show. The seating position is comfortable for daily drives, and visibility is good, which helps new drivers feel more confident on the road. For a small car, cabin space is used wisely, offering enough room for passengers and daily luggage. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Cutlass Super focuses on efficiency rather than power. The engine is tuned for smooth city driving, making it ideal for daily traffic conditions. Acceleration is gentle, but it feels responsive enough for normal use. This car is not made for racing or high-speed thrills, but for people who want a calm, reliable drive every day. The steering feels light, which makes turning and parking very easy, especially in crowded urban areas. Fuel efficiency has always been one of the strongest points of the Cutlass, and the 2026 Cutlass Super continues that tradition. It is designed to save fuel and reduce running costs, which is extremely important for budget-conscious buyers. Whether you are driving to work, dropping kids at school, or running daily errands, this car helps you spend less on fuel without sacrificing basic comfort. Safety features in the 2026 Cutlass Super have also seen improvements compared to older models. Basic safety systems are included to make everyday driving more secure. While it may not have all the advanced technologies found in expensive cars, it provides enough protection for normal city use. This makes it a sensible choice for families and first-time car owners who want peace of mind. Another important point to mention is maintenance. The Cutlass Super is known for low maintenance costs and easy availability of parts. This makes ownership stress-free and affordable in the long run. Mechanics are familiar with this car, and service costs usually stay within a reasonable range, which is a big advantage in this segment. Overall, the 2020